And look at all these. Look at all these. Huh?
Look at that, so big.
Look at how big this is. Have you ever seen a strawberry this big? This is crazy big.
One. I think a humongous one.
So we're picking strawberries. I found this place here when I was biking the other day. 然后太大了，不需要。
I want this one.
哇
So big.
你 look at 你看那么大一个，你可以拿那个小的。
Wait, look at the other side. If it's dirty.
哇，这边很热。
So hot in here, Mom.
Yeah.
Mom, it's so hot.
你可以拿那个小的。So we're okay. So the goal is to get the best ones. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Woo! It's cooking hot in this greenhouse. Here, Michael. Fill it up.
I need leaf.
They put the rows about a foot off the ground and then they use this bag to keep the weeds. I think that's a smart idea, eh?
Yeah.
Really good. And then it's a little higher, so then the fruit just kind of goes down on the sides.
And the bugs will have to climb like a big mountain.
Yeah, and maybe it helps.
Whoa!
It's just dirt. They had maybe a special till that just
Mom,
dug these trenches.
nobody knew what I found.
Wow, look at that.
apple.
Oh, an apple. These strawberries are on medication.
They're too big.
So in Canada, they give you it cheaper if you pick, I think.
Yeah,
And
I
here, they charge you double the price. No, I'm pretty sure it's cheaper. We went to...
When you pick, you may try to eat a couple.
Oh, we would eat a couple for sure. So, oh, there's a nice bee. Ouch.
我尝一个。Red.
Looking nice and red.
Dad, I'm
Yeah.
scared. There's a bee.
The bees are... Those honeybees won't kill you. They don't sting unless they have to, because honeybees, if they sting you, they die, right?
I don't want
So they are not going to sting you unless they think you're a threat.
They're gonna die.
Yeah. So
I'm scared.
they're not going to sting you unless you like touch them. So
Just be gentle.
they're not like a hornet. Hornets will just keep on stinging, right?
Just go right into you.
So
Hornets won't even die. They're not even.
honeybees you don't have to be worried
No,
about.
hornets don't make honey. They steal.
Unless you're like going into the honey hive trying to
they will.
steal their honey. Wow, look at this.
Because they have a queen.
Look at all those.
Dad, look at my side. There's too many.
Look at all these. This. Yep, this is strawberry paradise, eh? I like this one.
And I like this one. Daddy, put in.
They probably have some spray on it.
Yeah, so the bugs don't eat that one.
They're the same plant. They have the same little flower. It's as red as the container.
多漂亮！要不要咬一口？你看一下里面什么样的。Do you want to see what inside looks like? Do you want to see this?
Okay, you eat one.
Okay.
Is it fresh?
Mhm.
Looks like an apple.
Red.
Look here. They have a double layered plastic where you can have a plastic within the plastic. It's like double layered. I wonder why they do that.
That was a heat.
So yeah, it's like insulator. And then on the side you have the wind that can blow in and you can roll up the plastic. So in the winter they probably roll it down. Summer they roll it up to let it out heat because you don't want it to get too hot, right? And then in winter they would use a double layered plastic. So this has plastic on the top. Interesting design. Whole bunch for strawberry pie.
Can't reach the basket.
Can't reach the basket, so we got one done. Here's another.
There's a small one right here.
So they also have these kind of black kind of meshes that they would put over in the winter. That's my guess. And they have a whole bunch of greenhouses here. A lot. They would have to come here and pick every day. It's like a family business. Oh. You got it.
This is 100 and something.
I bet you it's gonna be 150.
I think it's 125.
Okay, let's see who's right. Ah. Okay. Okay, Michael, 你放。
哎，你家那里面还有很多的呢。
哎，
你放
每天都要那个吗？
啊？
每天都要摘吗？
对，每天都要
我
采。
们看摘还有好多在里面。
And then they order them.
That you can take pictures. They're waiting them.
Okay.
228。哦，228。
哦，你说价格吗？
No way.
好
Okay. It's more than we thought, eh?
Yeah.
这怎么？
200. I thought it was only 100. So
So it's like 40 bucks.
Dad, look how big this one is. Daddy. Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy, look how big this one is. Daddy, look. 这个。Daddy, look.
多少钱？200多少
228。
？228. So 220.
哦。
It's like
家里还有两个小孩呢，
哦。
两个姐姐没来。
40 bucks.
这草莓这回在下午
That's huge, eh?
去朋友家里面带一筐。
也可以，你去朋友家可以带一筐。
新鲜的都对，趁新鲜吃掉。下周还有的吧？
有。
问他们要不要来一起摘。
Hey, you got it?
可以。
All
我
right.
发现有的长得好漂亮，摘下来没太注意。
These are the old ones.
不然你就直接切掉一个。
They would live here. This is their home. Huh? 付好了。
你要采，你下个
Guard dogs. And then they sell it at the road stand.
我觉得我们把这4个都放在一起拍张照，因为
Load them in the car. Make some strawberry stuff. Strawberry pie. Have you ever seen
你放 Michael 手里显得
a strawberry this big? This is crazy big.
Humongous one. I think a humongous one.